Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be actually changing out seeing if I can make the little orange LED on the light turn on, because apparently they can turn on. So I'm gonna be going ahead and unplugging those right now, and just trying to see if I can mess around with the headlights. Right here we have the flower shop madness from Valentine's Day. Now that we don't have a flower shop, my sister just does it in house. My mom started doing something else, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this, and then so I can go work on that truck. All right, so I cleaned it up more. I didn't really know where to put certain stuff at, but pretty decently clean now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rip this truck apart and see if I can fix these headlights. All right, we got the front cap removed. Now we need to remove all these bolts right here to take off the actual grill itself, because we need to remove the grill. It's already loose to get to these bolts, or you can get to them, but you won't actually be able to take the light out, unfortunately. But I already moved this thing, and I think this might be our issue right here, because this one's not connected. Hopefully it didn't short out from water or anything. These two bolts, and then one clip. Same thing on this side, but the bolts are still in here. Same thing on the bottom. I removed all the bolts, got the bumper off. This is just hanging out where it can come out already, but this one still bolted in, so it's not going to come off. You do have to unplug this and take this off that, but not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and see this issue real quick. We have the light off. Everything was plugged in except this one right here. So we had to remove this little thingy right here from here that's covering it. Pretty dumb. I don't know how I didn't see that the first time. But yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. I already tried it on the other one. It's done already. It took me like 5 minutes to do. And your little LED line, the orange one, will work. I'm just a fucking idiot. I didn't really understand that. But now, go ahead and put the truck back together. So there's actually only like 2 clips. One right here, one right here, one right there, one right there. And then like holes that you need to insert this to. So it's pretty easy to put the grill back on. It's kind of like a fucking Lego. Headlights are done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car once this wiring is plugged in, just to show it off. I didn't want to turn on the car just yet because of that wiring. I don't want to fuck anything up with the system. Just need to put this back on. Bolt on a couple more things right here, and right here, and then put the clips back on, the retainers right here. Oh, and fucking headlight fell on me. See, this is where this goes. Plug it in right now. And this goes like this, and make sure they don't come out. And this goes in here. And I could kind of dish work up the retainer, but no matter. Back in, like that. And then I just need to put on the top piece for it to be secure, like the little retainers, and it'll be secure to the radiator. But that's it. As you can see, the little orange amber is now on finally. Can't see it really. You see it well during the day, but the orange amber is on now. So these lights are good, I guess. Pretty reliable. But yeah, that's pretty much it, or how to install them pretty much, because I fucking took them apart.